Morning children. In the last class we learned about different kinds of sentences and we learned different kinds of sentences. Today we are going to learn about interrogative sentences. So we already know that interrogative sentences are sentences that ask questions or ask something. So the word interrogation itself means asking questions. So any sentence that asks something falls under the category of interrogative sentences. So they ask questions and they have a question mark at the end. At the end of a sentence, there would always be a question mark. And look at the examples. Are you going to the park? Somebody is asking another person, are you going to the park? It is a clear question and there is a question mark at the end. Similarly, the second one, have you eaten lunch? Again, somebody is asking this question to someone else, have you eaten lunch? So at the end we have a question mark. So these two are examples of interrogative sentences or sentences that ask questions. Now how do we change these questions into statements, or how do we convert interrogative sentences into statements? Let us see. Look at the first one here. I am intelligent. Somebody is stating this or telling the fact that he or she is intelligent. So I am intelligent. It is a statement, a sentence. Now how do we change that into an interrogative sentence? Let us see. See over here, the word am should be placed before the subject I. As you know, I am intelligent. The subject of this sentence is I. So here, when we change it into an interrogative sentence, the word am should be placed before the subject. And so it becomes, am I intelligent? With that question mark at the end. So now it becomes an interrogative sentence when am is placed before the subject. Now look at the second one. She was sick. Again, it is a statement, and when we convert that into an interrogative statement or sentence, we have to place was before the subject of the sentence, she. So, was she sick will be our interrogative sentence. Okay, I hope you understood that. So, the word here, in the first one, the word am is placed before the subject to make it, am I intelligent? And in the second sentence, the word was is placed before the subject, she, in order to make it, was she sick? So this is how we normally change a statement into an interrogative sentence. Now look at the third one. He is late is the sentence or the statement. Now that statement, when we change it into an interrogative sentence, we place is before the subject he. So is he late is our interrogative sentence. Now when the verb has more than one word, what do? We put the first word before the subject. So have a look over here. He has seen your report card. Has seen is given here. So when we change that into interrogative sentence, the word has should be placed before the subject, which is he. So has he seen your report card? Question mark. Understood? So if the verb has more than two words, we put the first word before the subject in order to make it an interrogative sentence. So in this sentence, as I told you, has should be placed before the subject he. So has he seen your report card? Okay, I hope you got that. Now, let us turn to page 15 of our textbook. Rewrite the following as interrogative sentence. You have your exercises here. Now you have to rewrite the following sentence. Or before that, children, I would rather read few examples of statements that is changed into interrogative sentences. Okay, on page 15. First one, he will come tomorrow morning. That is a statement, right? Somebody is saying that he would come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow morning. And now when you change that into an interrogative sentence, Yes, we will write will. Since will is given there, will should be placed before the subject, and so will he come tomorrow morning? Question mark. Now the second one given here, the boys were tired. This is a statement, and we change it into an interrogative sentence as were the boys tired? Question mark. Okay, so the boys were tired, were the boys tired? Then the third one, she was a winner. That when you change it, you write it as was she the winner and a question mark at the end. The fourth one, the girl was in class 3. How do we change that? Yes, was the girl in class 3? Question mark. So these are 4 examples given there of statements, how we convert it or we change it into interrogative statements or interrogative sentences. Okay. So normally what do we do? Words like am, was, where, are, words like has, have, all these words will be placed before the subject in order to change it into an interrogative sentence. Okay. And when the verb has more than 2 words, what do? The first word will be placed before the subject of the statement, and then we can change it into an interrogative statement. Okay. So now rewrite the following as interrogative statements. Let us see, or sentences. So rewrite the following as interrogative sentences. The first one, the children were obedient. It is a sentence, a statement. The children were obedient. How do we change that? Yes, the word were should be placed before the over here. The children is a subject. So were the children obedient and a question mark to make it an interrogative sentence. Okay, so where should be written here? Were the children obedient? Now look at the second one. He has a new mobile phone. A statement, and we change it as has he a new mobile phone? Question mark. So we have converted or changed that into an interrogative sentence. Has he a new mobile phone? Now look at the third one. The train will be late. Again, declaration or a statement. We convert that or change that as will. So over here, will should be written placed before the subject, the train. So will the train be late? Is an interrogative sentence. So here the fourth one. What is the fourth one, children? Tamal is found of rock music. Tamal is a name. Tamal is found of rock music. So we write is Tamal. Is should be placed before the subject Tamal. So is Tamal found of rock music? Question mark is the interrogative form of this statement. Okay. Now the fourth one, what is it? The doorbell is ringing. The doorbell is ringing is this statement or sentence here. And how do we change that into an interrogative statement? Yes, is should be placed before the doorbell. So is the doorbell ringing with a question mark at the end. Alright. So this is how we convert a statement or a normal sentence into an interrogative sentence. Okay, I hope you got that clear. And you have 10 sentences here. You are requested to do your text exercises based on what is being learned or what you have understood. So interrogative sentences, what are they? They are sentences that basically ask something, or sentences related to asking questions. As I told you earlier, the word interrogation means questioning. So interrogative sentences are basically sentences that are related to asking questions, and they begin with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Alright. And words like am, was, where, has, have, all these words will be placed before the subject when we have to change a statement into a interrogative sentence. Okay, I hope you have understood all these things, and you have to do your exercise also. Okay, children? Thank you.